Hello everyone and welcome. Today we present to you a review of a convenient and functional cruise booking resource, Cruisedirect.com. In the next few minutes, we will take a detailed look at its features, interface, and key advantages to help you plan your next journey. Cruisedirect.com is a platform designed to help you find and book the perfect cruise anywhere in the world. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a cruise with friends, there is an option to suit every need. In this review, we will show you how easy it is to navigate the site, what tools it offers, and what to pay attention to before making your booking. The first thing that catches your eye is the clean, intuitive design. The homepage features a handy search bar where you can enter the date, destination, and duration of your cruise. Thanks to this structure, finding the right options is quick and easy. The site also provides detailed information about each cruise, descriptions of the ships, itineraries, cabins, and onboard entertainment. You can view photos, read traveler reviews, and compare prices. This really helps in making an informed choice. In addition, Cruisedirect.com offers special filters to sort the results, from the duration of the journey to the cabin options available. This is especially valuable if you have specific requirements or preferences for your selected itinerary. One of the site's main advantages is the instant access to information on discounts and special offers. Promotional rates and bonus programs make cruising even more affordable. It's also worth noting the friendly customer support, which is always ready to help you understand the booking details and promptly answer any questions. This is an important aspect for those planning their trip in advance and wanting to be sure they've chosen the right option. Users also praise the high page loading speed and the ease of the mobile version, meaning you can use the site both at home and on the go. In short, if you're looking for a simple and reliable way to book a cruise, Cruisedirect.com is an excellent choice. Its ease of use, detailed information for each tour, and attractive offers make the site an indispensable tool for planning your next adventure.